Many entrepreneurs and large corporations have found Elon Musk to be an inspiration. Throughout his life, innovation has been a constant driving force. It is now focused on bringing the best phone technology to the modern era. As a result of Apple's latest iPhone and Google's Project Era, the smartphone industry will undergo significant change. Can you imagine Tesla making a smartphone? According to Tesla, the Tesla Model Pi smartphone will include built-in Starlink Wi-Fi. Apple and Samsung, among other market participants, were taken aback by the news. The phone, however, will compete with other phones in the market, including Apple's most popular iPhone. And we compare the Tesla Model Pi phone to the Apple iPhone in this video. But first, subscribe to our channel, Elon Musk Tube, and click the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's get started. Elon Musk has created a phone with Starlink Wi-Fi. Elon Musk's cutting-edge technology continues to amaze the world. He's always successful, whether it's launching rockets into space, manufacturing the most advanced electric cars, or providing global satellite internet access. However, he doesn't stop there. Elon Musk unveiled the Tesla Model Pi, a promising new smartphone this time. Musk intends to incorporate all available technology into this super smartphone, which could explain why none has previously been built. This new smartphone combines his extensive experience in developing Ford 680 batteries, solar-powered items, Tesla electric automated vehicles, and multiple SpaceX missions into a single device. Due to its features, experts believe that when the Tesla Model Pi, also known as the Tesla Model P, is released, it'll disrupt the entire smartphone industry. Apple is now a household name, selling as many phones as it can produce. In just 1 year, the Cupertino-based company sold nearly 200 million units worldwide. There is no doubt that Apple gets a lot of things right with its iPhones, which it updates every year, but it's about to get a new competitor. This latest rival is backed by the might of the world's wealthiest man, who has literally unlimited resources to put behind his new venture. Before we get into the Tesla Model Pi versus Apple iPhone comparison, Musk has millions of fans who would undoubtedly prefer to use a phone designed by Musk to supplement their other Tesla products. Apple is said to be in a rivalry with Tesla. For a long time, the iPhone maker has been linked to rumors that it's working on an electric car. The car hasn't arrived yet, but the discussions haven't stopped. What is not a rumor, however, is that Musk once attempted to sell Tesla to Apple during what he referred to as a production hell. Musk never met Apple CEO Tim Cook when the automaker was in a deep crisis. How will the phones be produced? Apple is well known for not manufacturing its phones. Instead, the company designs and tests them in the United States before contracting out the actual production to partners around the world who manufacture the components such as camera lens chips, screens, and so on. Even Apple's main rival Samsung has manufactured batteries for Apple phones. The accelerometer is manufactured by Bosch Sensotech in Germany, and if the gyroscope is manufactured by SD Microelectronics in Switzerland. If Tesla wishes to continue its tradition of manufacturing its own products, it could construct its own assembly plants. On the other hand, building a phone plant is not the same as building an EV plant. The company could also proceed with caution by contracting out the first few batches. From here, we'll compare the two phones based on what we know about the Pi camera model. According to rumors, the camera setups of the two phones are strikingly similar. The iPhone takes great photos, including wide-angle shots, but the Model Pi phone is capable of more. For example, at night, you can point the Pi phone to the starry sky and capture high-resolution images without the need for long exposure. At this point, the iPhone is well known for its notched screen. In fact, Apple popularized the design. The notch houses the front camera and other sensors, but while other phone manufacturers have experimented with different designs, such as a punched camera, Apple has only shrunk the size of the notch. Many people dislike the design because it consumes valuable screen real estate and degrades the aesthetic. A fingerprint scanner beneath the screen is another feature of the Model Pi phone that the iPhone lacks. Your Pi phone will be able to unlock by simply placing your finger on one of the screen's corners, which is a very convenient method. The iPhone has a textured macerated glass back that is prone to cracking when dropped, which is why you should put a case on it as soon as you get it. It has a large Apple logo on the back. The Pi phone has a prominent logo on the back as well, but the phone can change colors. Processing capability, Apple continues to improve the iPhone processor year after year, although the advances have not been earth-shattering in recent years. While Tesla has not revealed specifics about the processor in its Pi phone, it's expected to be powerful. This is due to the fact that the Raspberry Pi will be used to mine cryptocurrency. Of course, at this point, it's known that the Pi phone will literally travel further than the iPhone because it'll be used in Mars by musket colonists who want people to live on the red planet. The Pi phone will be capable of mining Mars coins. Whether you're on Earth or Mars, your phone will function as a wallet, allowing you to pay for groceries, gas, and other necessities without having to dig through your wallet or credit cards. The Model Pi will need a powerful processor, not only for cryptocurrency but also for Auron Technologies for Musk's Neuralink, which attempts to read signals from the human brain by implanting chips inside it. This is not for sinister reasons, as the technology can potentially help people with speech impediments. It can help correct some health issues. Put your thoughts into words. Satellite connectivity. There were rumors that the iPhone 13 would include satellite connectivity, but this didn't come to fruition. The Pi, on the other hand, will be able to connect to Tesla's Starlink satellite service for high-speed internet access. You may have heard of Starlink, one of Musk's most recent ventures, which is gaining traction despite the fact that it's still in beta. Technical testers are willing to pay $500 for the dish and $99 per month to have access to high-speed internet wherever there's a dish. Many Tesla car owners use the iPhone's Tesla app to remotely control their vehicles. However, because Tesla doesn't control the iPhone's operating system, the app remains a third-party owned app, limiting some features. The Tesla Model Pi, on the other hand, will be more tightly integrated with Tesla vehicles and other products such as solar panels, home battery energy solutions, and so on. Caviar, a Russian luxury brand, is known for embellishing iPhones with diamonds, titanium, and other precious metals and selling them at exorbitant prices. Caviar, on the other hand, has taken a different path this time, and he's driving a Tesla. Caviar, in other words, have created a limited edition iPhone made from molten Tesla Model 3. In addition, Caviar has created a desktop figurine of Elon Musk out of molten Tesla car parts. According to Caviar, the new designs are dedicated to Elon Musk and his Tesla electric car. The body of a Tesla car was used to create the iPhone 13 Pro Electro. Buyers will also receive an Elon Musk desktop made from molten Tesla metal. According to Caviar, the design was inspired by the outline of Tesla's. The iPhone's aluminum panel is engraved for the portrait of Musk, an outline of an electric car, and the Tesla logo. The phone also contains copper alloy, which is a key component of electric car batteries, according to Caviar. If you're wondering how much the phone costs, it's a whopping $5,600. Caviar will only produce 99 limited edition smartphones. Musk's desktop bust is constructed from melted car parts such as the hoods and doors. Caviar will only make 27 figurines, each costing around $2,700. These new items embody the soul of Elon Musk, and thus, they'll bring their owners the success and creativity of this outstanding individual. Caviar founder Sergey Kitov said of the Tesla CEO smartphone and bust, "Apple's iPhone has been available for years, and the company has not grown tired of releasing new models each year. The Tesla Model Pi, on the other hand, is still on the way because Tesla has yet to finalize the features and design, but nothing says it'll take a long time, so we should have it in our hands soon." Do you believe the Tesla Model Pi can compete with the Apple smartphone? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. And with that, we've reached the end of the video. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe to our Elon Musk Tube channel for more exciting content and updates. We look forward to seeing you in the next one.